Good day to drive, especially in this 2020 Toyota Prius Prime with blue exterior, black interior, seating 4.5 with 4 doors. It has a 1.8-liter plug-in hybrid 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front-wheel drive. Desirable features include CD player, heated front seats, selectable drive modes, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website island4.ca. We'll be so happy to have you here. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 1.8-liter plug-in hybrid 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. This vehicle is a plug-in hybrid, and this is your charging port. Just press it and open it, and it will let you know on your dashboard when it's fully charged. When you're done, just close it and you're ready to head out. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar. All weather mats on the floor, your traction and light controls. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, heated steering wheel control, lane keeping assist, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, CD player, and other functions. And we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. You've got your volume and tuner and media controls, your climate control system with air conditioning, defrost, and other functions, your gear shift dial, selectable drive modes to switch modes depending on the road and weather conditions, and your EV auto mode. A little bit of room for storage below, your heated front seats controls, 2 cup holders, a console with storage below, USB charging port and an aux outlet, as well as a 12-volt outlet, your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, and light controls. 15-inch wheels, body colored door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, a gas cap on the driver's side. In the rear, your backup camera would be below the Toyota badging. To open your lift gate, just press the button below the badging and put it up. Here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, a tonneau cover, and here you're looking at your charging cords. You've got lightning to enhance your nighttime visibility when you are putting stuff in the cargo area. And when you're done, grab the handle on the right or left side, push it down and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. The seating is for 3, 60-40 split, which means you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats down. To do so, just pull the tab, fold your seat down. Here you access the cargo area. Anchors to tether baby seat. And when you're done, just lift your seat up. You've got an armrest with 2 cup holders, all weather mats on the floor, a slim pocket behind the front passenger seat, USB charging ports, hooks and handle, and your dome light. Backup camera in the rear, your plug-in port, privacy glass at the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights and fog lights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at island4.ca. We have plenty to show you and we'd love to hear your comments.